Oppo is refreshing its popular Reno line with two new models, Reno12 and Reno12 Pro, which are the first to feature a quad-curved display. Also, they are thinner and lighter than their Reno12 predecessors, and at the same time they are tougher than them too. The first quad-curved display from Oppo. The Oppo Reno12 features a 6.7 inches old display with 1080x2 for 1:px resolution and 120 Hz refresh rate. That is similar to the previous model, though now the top and bottom edges are curved too, not just the sides. You'd think that this ruggedness comes at the cost of bulk, but it's the other way around. The Reno12 measures 7.25 millimeters thick and weighs 179 grams, while the Reno11 was 7.6 millimeters and 184 grams. The Oppo Reno12 Pro is a bit thicker and heavier at 7.55 millimeters and 183 grams, though that's still below the 8.2 millimeters, and both Reno12 phones have the same batteries, 5,000 mAh with 80 W charging. Oppo says that the phones will retain 95% of their original battery capacity after 1,000 charge cycles. Anyway, both use the same display too, so why the difference? It's the cameras. The Pro model has a 50MP main camera with an IMX890 image sensor 1.56, 1.0 micrometers pixels, in addition to a 50MP to X telephoto module and an 8MP. Oppo Reno12 and Reno12 Pro arrive with quad-curved displays, thinner and lighter builds. The vanilla model has a smaller 50MP sensor and the main LYT600 1.95 along with the same 50MP to X-Tele and 8MP ultra-wide. Both phones use the same 50MP front-facing camera as well. Oppo Reno12 and Reno12 Pro arrive with quad-curved displays, thinner and lighter builds. Another thing that differentiates the Oppo Reno12 and the Pro is the compute power they have on tap. The vanilla model gets the Dimensity 8250, which is basically the same chip as the 800 that was in the Reno11, but with a new coat of paint. The phone is available in 12/256 of a gigabyte, 16/256 of a gigabyte, 12/512 of a gigabyte, and 16/512 of a gigabyte configurations. The Reno12 is available in three colors: Millennium Silver, Soft Peach, and Ebony Black, while the Reno12 Pro comes in Silver Fantasy Purple, Champagne Gold, and Ebony Black. Oppo Reno12 and Reno12 Pro colorways. Oppo Reno12 and Reno12 Pro colorways. Oppo Reno12 and Reno12 Pro colorways. A few other things worth mentioning are the in-display fingerprint reader, optical, NFC, and IR blaster. The Pro model also sports stereo speakers. You can find the Oppo Reno12 over on Oppo's online store in China. The Reno12 Pro is here. Here is a look at the prices with a conversion to USD for context. Oppo Reno12, Oppo Reno12 Pro. CNY/USD, CNY/USD. 12/256 of a gigabyte, 2,703,753,000 for $100 for $170. 16/256 of a gigabyte, 3,000 for $1,153,700 $510. 12/512 of a gigabyte, $3,415. 16/512 of a gigabyte, 3,200 for $1,000 for $104,000 $550.